Hello student, today I will teach you EVS for standard 3rd. We are going to start our new lesson number 4, direction and map. Now look, here the picture is given. Teacher and some children are here. And so many chart on the wall. The teacher is pointing to the chart, this chart in front of teacher. And this India map is behind the teacher. But same thing for all these children, this will be behind and the map is in front of them. What happen if teacher tell see front of? Teacher's front will be this, but for children's front will be this. So this will cause miscommunication. They will not know proper location. And for that purpose, what can we do? We can do very simple thing. We can do write the direction. Look in this second picture, a teacher will write the direction west, east, north, and this side is south. So when teacher will ask children to see east, then everyone see this chart. There will be no confusion. That means this direction helps us to know the location of place. How to find the direction? The four main directions are east, west, north and south. How do we find them? Let's see the picture. Suppose you are facing the sun. The direction in which the sun rises is east. So this side is east. And the direction in which the sunset is the west. So behind you there will be west. Right of you there will be south and left of you there will be north. This direction helps us to read the map. Now look, a large frame is given below. Your house is at the center of the frame. The frame has yellow strips on each of its four sides of writing the direction. Suppose this is your house. And suppose this side is east. So this is west. And this side is north. And this side is south. In the frame, show the following things near your house in the right place. These things you have to show near your houses in the frame. Okay. In olden day, people go to far away places. They carry the compass. This compass is called as a magnetic compass. This is magnetic compass always show north and south. You can see the pointer pointed north and south direction. N means north, S means south. Sai and Abhay have been asked to solve this problem. Can you help them? Here some question is given. But firstly, you have to mention all the directions. Suppose this side is east. So this will be west, this will be north and this will be south. Mention all this direction and write down the answer of this question. Now, whenever you want to read map, you have to follow certain things. What is that? See, this girl is reading the map. She keep the map on the ground. See, sun is there. That means east direction. This part of the map will be east and this will be west. Suppose you are facing the sun. Now your right ear in south direction and left ear in north direction. In which direction will your shadow fall at sunset? Direction of sunset is west. So your shadow fall east direction. Now district, state and country. You know that Many villages make talukas. Many talukas will make district. Many district make state. Many state make country. And finally, many countries make a world. The world is known as Earth. Our district name is Ahmednagar. Our state name is Maharashtra. And our country name is India. Now look this map. This is for Ahmednagar district. Index is given here. Now what is this index? Let's see. This line, dark line is district boundary. Look here. This dark line is district boundary. And this dotted line, taluka's boundary. See, taluka's boundary. This dot indicate district headquarters. Look here. And this small dot indicate taluka's headquarters. Now look this map and write the answer of this question. Now see a map. This is our Maharashtra state map. A map of our Maharashtra state is given here. You have to find your districts on the map and color it. Write the name of your districts after my districts. So you have to write here name of the district. In the box below, write the name of district neighboring your district. Pune, Nasik, Aurangabad and Bid. These neighboring districts of our Ahmednagar district. Now look, a map of our country is given here. You have to find and color our Maharashtra state on the map of our country. A map of world is given here. Look this map and color the part labeled India. So student, in this chapter what we have learned? See, the four main direction. The use of direction given on a map. An introduction to our district, state and country using map. Our fourth chapter is over here. Thank you.